Welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing a mini wedding cake because it's my Nana Nani's anniversary and I really wanted to make it special, so I'm doing a mini cake for them. But it's not very mini, it is, I'll let you all know how many grams it is, and obviously it's going to look beautiful. So let's just start with the video and see how we make it. So guys, we are going to start making the 2-tier cake. It's a mini 2-tier cake, so I've taken 5" for the bottom and I've taken 4" for the top, which is this size. Okay. And we have used a butter cake recipe. I'm going to soak it with coffee syrup, which is just water and coffee. You can also add sugar if you want, but I'm going to add Nutella to the cake, so it's anyway going to be sweet enough. So we're just going to go ahead and soak this now. I have used ganache to stick the cake layer. Do not forget that. And this is black fondant. If you want to know how to cover a board with fondant, go ahead and check out one of the videos that we've already made on the channel. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. If you want to save the board from getting messed up, which is kind of getting messed up right now, but it's not too much because वैसे भी black है तो ज़्यादा दिखेगा नहीं. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can just add cling wrap on the areas where it's obviously exposed. Making a dam of ganache. This is again 2:1 ganache. I've just made it with Morde. Filling it very slightly because I'm anyway adding Nutella inside. You can also add nuts if you want. I'm not adding any nuts, but you can definitely go ahead and add hazelnuts or almonds, whatever you like. So here we're starting with assembling of the 4" cake now, and I've taken it on a separate board. I haven't taken it on the board that I'm going to actually use for this cake to go on the bottom tier. Just soaking this again with coffee syrup. So guys, here I have Morde ganache. So I've made 2:1 ganache using Morde compound chocolate and Amul cream. You all can go check out my ganache video. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add black color to it to make it black color ganache. Since Morde is already pretty dark, so you can either use oil candy color or you can use food gel color, whichever is available. The food gel color which I have is empty, that's why I'm using the oil candy color. Just mix it well. I have another specific recipe for black icing on my Instagram. If you want to go check out that recipe as well. It's a fudge icing recipe. So that's pretty black for me, and I'm going to use this for covering our cake now. Okay guys, so now for making sure that the structure is perfect, what we'll do is, this is called dowels. These are wooden sticks, they are called dowels. You keep it here in front of the cake. So we're going to insert 3 of these dowels in the bottom tier and 1 that is attaching the bottom and the top tier. So एक बीच में center में रहेगा, which is the tall center dowel, and there will be 3 on the sides, which will be size of this layer of cake. Now keeping it here, I'm just going to mark it with this edible marker. Make sure you don't use a normal pen because you don't want ink in your cake, so you can use this edible pen and mark it. Okay, and then you cut it with using a knife, serrated knife, or if you have the proper cutter. So Nikhil is using a serrated knife and just sawing it, like sawing का जो technique रहता है, saw use करते हैं usually wood काटने के लिए, वैसे he is cutting the dowel. Just be careful with the knife because it's very long and it can break and come on your face. So I filled the black ganache in a piping bag, and why I do this is it helps you in getting a very even layer all over the cake. Now bench scraper लेंगे and you just spread it out like that. Okay. So because I really wanted to try something different, I have given it a texture which is the wave texture. So I've covered the 4-inch cake basic with ganache, and I put little thick layer because we're doing a wave cake for even the top tier. So I'm just going to go and finish this off nicely first. Now what I'm going to do is again take my bench scraper and do the wave design. So you just have to go up down in the up down motion, and do not press it too hard against the cake, otherwise the cake ka layer will start coming out and it will look like a naked cake, like your cake layer will be seen. So make sure you don't press it too hard. With a very light hand you have to do it. So guys, I'm going to start assembling the cake now. We have the parchment here, which is the 4-inch cake ke size ka parchment. Okay, both the cakes are nicely set. So let me show it to you. What is the meaning of being set is, in ganache when you touch the cake, the ganache should not come on your finger. You want the cake to be set that way. Now this is the 4-inch size. I will be folding it into a chapati, basically quarter size, a chapati shape, and then I will cut this from the center. Now why I've cut it in the center? So I can have a hole in the center. Now I'll stick it right in the center. Firstly, I forgot to add the dowels. So my dowels are all cling wrapped. Now why I've cling wrapped the dowels is because I need it to be food safe. Okay. Now center dowel I've not cling wrapped. You can cling wrap it if you want to. I'm just going to insert this here like that. Okay. Then add this. Now taking the same ganache and adding it here so I can stick the board. Spread it out. Now putting the board here, what you can usually do is you can put the cake, assemble the cake on the board and then insert it, but I'm just putting the board here because this cake is a butter cake and it's pretty set. So what I'm going to do is I've already inserted it here. I'm just going to go ahead and take this cake in my hands. And I forgot to add some ganache. So make sure that you add ganache on the board obviously to stick the cake well. Just to cover this, add a little bit of ganache in front, very slight, so it doesn't hamper the design, and cover it up. Now taking some edible butterflies. Just putting some tiny dollops of ganache so I can stick the butterflies. So that's how your black beauty looks like. This cake turned out to be 2 kgs, and you all can also make it for your clients if you all want to. If they have a mini occasion or wedding happening and they don't want a big cake, you can make it like this. Or if you want to make any special occasion even further special by making a 2-tier cake, you can go ahead and make this. So guys, this is it. That's how you make a mini wedding cake. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all have any questions regarding this or anything else, if you all have any feedbacks, let us know in the comments below. And also let me know how did you like this cake, and I'll see you all really soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new here, and also don't forget to give it a like if you like this video, and I'll see you all really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Stay safe.